In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your recently watched Reels on Instagram in 2025. If you've ever tried to find a Reel you watched earlier but didn't like, save, or share, this update makes it quick and stress-free. We'll walk through where to find your watch history, how to sort it, and how to remove items you don't want to keep. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. The fastest way is to tap your profile picture. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, choose your activity. This is where Instagram collects tools for tracking and managing how you use the app. On the Your Activity screen, scroll down until you see Watch History and tap it. This dedicated section shows all the Reels you've recently watched. By default, they're sorted from newest to oldest, so the most recent videos appear at the top. You can simply scroll to browse through your viewing timeline and tap any reel to open it again. And if you're trying to find something specific, use the filters. You can filter by date range, which is helpful when you remember the approximate day you watched a reel, and you can filter by the account that posted it, which is great when you remember who made it, but not the exact clip. These filters help narrow things down fast without having to dig through your likes or saves. You also have control over your history. If there is a reel you'd rather not keep in your list, you can remove it from your watch history individually. Removing a reel from history won't undo that you viewed it, and it doesn't affect your follows, likes, or saves elsewhere. It simply cleans up your history for better organization. Keep in mind that once removed from history, it won't appear here again unless you watch it in the future. This watch history covers roughly the last 30 days of reels you've viewed. That window helps you revisit what you enjoyed recently while keeping the list manageable over time. If you don't see watch history yet, make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as features can roll out gradually. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find and manage your recently watched reels, how to sort them, and how to remove any you don't want to keep. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips.